Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. How are you doing? Very excited to be with you to continue our work with multiplication. So the other day I was having you solve problems like 23 times 5, and you could use the computer, right, the math app to help you with that. So today what I want you to do is to try it first on your own and then check it with the math app. Okay, so that's an important difference that I want you to do. So if we look on the next slide, okay, you have some problems. I believe your first problem is, let me just check. So your first problem is 33 times 4, okay? So I'm going to think of this as 4 rows of 33. So the way I would do this and the way I would like you to do it is we're going to draw a rectangle, thinking about the area model, and this would be 4, the width would be 4, or you could think of it as 4 rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we were drawing grids, these are big numbers, right? 33 is a big number, so I don't want to have to draw that many little squares, but that's what I would be thinking about. And then 33, this is going to be 33 along here, okay? From here to here is 33, but I'm going to break it up, right, by place value. So the 3 in the tens place stands for 30, and this just stands for 3. So I'm going to draw a line here. Okay, so here, all of this whole square, this whole rectangle, is going to be 4 rows of 30. Okay, and then this is going to be 4 rows of 3. So 4 times 30, I'm going to think that's 4 times 3 tens. So 12 tens gives me another 0, 120. And 4 times 3 is just 12. So if I add those up, I get 120 plus 12. If I'm not sure, I can always do this. 132. Okay? So then I'm going to go to the computer to check this. So I have 33 times 4, but I'm going to put it in as 4 times 33. All right, so here I am on the partial product finder. I'm going to type in 4 times 33, and let's see how I did. So I can always turn on the answers right here. So I did get the right answer, 132. Let's see if I broke it up the right way. So I'm going to slide it over to the 30. Okay, so you can see there's 4 rows of 30 here, and 4 rows of 3 here. 4 rows of 30 gives me, 120. 4 rows of 3, gives me 12. Okay, and if I add it up, I get 132. So I check it, and I see that it's correct. Now, if you check it, and you see that it's not correct, then you just go back and fix the problem that you just did. So the big difference here, boys and girls, again, is I want you to try it on your own first, the way that I did it, and then go and check your answer on the computer. And if it's incorrect, then that's fine. As long as you're doing your best and learning, then you can make your corrections. Okay? You can always go back to the video from Monday if it helps you to remember how to do this, but I think the example will be very helpful to you. And so we've done the first one together. So I think you have 5 more. All right, boys and girls. Do it on a piece of paper. If you don't have a piece of paper, you can always use a whiteboard if you have that, and you also have your dry erase sleeve that you could always write on. Take a picture of your work. Okay? All right, boys and girls. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.